or lesbian scientist here. We just talked about reinforcement, both positive and negative, and now we're going to turn our attention to positive punishment. Punishment, literally the definition is that the future likelihood of a behavior to occur again decreases. So punishment doesn't mean terrible, bad, whatever emotional word you want to assign to it. Just the definition means a behavior is decreasing, and the future likelihood of it will decrease. That's punishment, period. It's the definition. Positive, again, doesn't mean anything good. Literally means adding a stimulus. That's it. So positive punishment, adding a stimulus, decreases the future likelihood of a behavior to occur again. That's it. That's the definition. So when people tell me they're correcting their dog, pretend, that's one of the things that I hear. That means they don't want a behavior to occur, right? So if they don't want a behavior to occur, that means they want the behavior to decrease. Therefore, correction is always punishment by definition. But people get so caught up in the emotional language of what punishment means, they lose sight of what they're actually doing, what the science of learning and behavior tells us. Punishment is strictly decreasing an organism's behavior. There is no other interpretation but that. That's the definition. So if you are doing anything to your dog, for example, and you're trying to get their behavior to stop or to decrease, you are doing something that will be punishment-based. Again, if their behavior doesn't decrease, then there's an error up here, right? In the stimulus or some other part, the environment, you, whatever, there's some other error. But if behavior decreases, it's always punishment, period.